Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am modelarieamore and I am here with another tutorial video on how to do a cut crease. But today we are going to do this nice cute gold cut crease. Yes, I'm kind of feeling myself a little bit. Like, I really love the fact that these videos are so easy to learn from. Like, get into it, y'all. I'm about to show you how to do this, okay? First, you want to go ahead and get that Nubian by Juvia's palette. We're going to be using this dark shade here, this light brown, this gold, and this even lighter brown. Like, I don't really know the names of these colors, y'all, but y'all see it and we can go with it from there. Also my lips, yeah, Juvia's. Get into it. Good. So let's go ahead and buff out the concealer that's already on my eyelids, guys, because it was starting to crease. Let's go ahead and smooth it right back out. All right, and get that small blending brush, and as always we are going to start in the crease. I always use the darker color in the crease. No matter what color it is, use the darker one. So if you want to use yellow and orange and blue, you want to use that darker color in the crease. I hope that makes sense. Like, the darker shade is what gets everything popping. So the color combination that I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to blow out my eyes, and I just love it. So I'm going over top with a lighter brown, and this is going to help it kind of simmer down. It starts to look grayish, and that is what I'm looking for. Not a black, but a gray. So just keep on blending, guys. And now we're going to go in with this very light brown. This is more like a peachy color. You're not going to see it on the eyelid, which is okay, because we're just using this color to kind of blow out everything without it looking, what's the word that I'm looking for? Y'all, I'm still working on the terminology. Like, I really don't know. We just want to use that lighter shade to smooth all the edges out, blow this look out, and make it look more defined and natural on the eyelid, especially since we're using gold. You can already see it on the other eye that I have completed. Like, it's nice and smooth, but it's not too much. Like, yes, take your time, blend everything out, and get it nice, and definitely take your time to get it the way you want. As you can see, I kind of mixed that real light one as well as that other light one. Gosh, y'all seen it. Yeah. So we're going to go ahead and use our Juvia's concealer in the shade 16. Let's take our flat brush and just rub it on here. Usually I put it on my hand, but today I just felt like doing it this way. And we're going to start at that watermark. I want this cut crease to be a lot bigger. So as you can see, I'm taking it above my natural crease that's already on my eyelid, okay? And then you want to smooth everything out. Do not forget to smooth it out and cut it in the middle. Or you can take it far over if you want to, but this is where I decided to stop at. So yeah. Now that that's all blended out, let's go into that darker color and that lighter brown. And we want to add to the edge here. This is so everything can kind of like blend together and look very natural. Not too cakey, you know what I'm saying? Like, smooth your girl out. Like, you want to make sure that this look looks as natural as possible. As natural as you can get it. Like, we're all beginners. Why else are you here? Like, we're all trying to learn. If you know a different technique, let me know. Don't be scared to tell me, because all I'm going to do is say thank you, try it in another video, and say thank you again. So I'm taking that other buffer brush, and, well, it's not a buffer brush, but yeah, I'm taking this other brush and I'm just blending, and, you know, yeah. I just get so excited when I see that I'm close to the end. So I'm so ready to take that flat brush and go into that gold, baby. And remember, per usual, you want to pack it on. And I mean pat it. Do not rub. I say that in every video, just in case this is your first time following one of my videos. Like, we pack it on. That's all you can do is pack it on. Take your time and let that color show. I really love getting it into the tear duct area, because it just makes my eyes pop. Like, y'all. And my eyelashes, y'all, it's time for me to get some new lashes, because, child, this is probably the last use for these. But I just love this palette. Anyway, now you guys are seeing me line my eyelashes with adhesive glue, because your girls have to put these lashes on because, honey, I usually don't put my lashes on in the video, and I felt like today, why not? Y'all, there's cars and stuff going by. Like, I had to do my tutorials and stuff outside in the car sometimes because my kids be in the house whirling. But yeah, I'll be like having to put these lashes on. I usually do it outside of the camera because I get nervous and it just takes forever. So thank God we got it. So I'm just kind of fanning the eyelash a little bit, letting it dry so that I can squeeze them together just like this. I think I'm getting better at applying my lashes. It's competitive a little bit sometimes. But yeah, now we're going to go under our eyes with a nice black eyeshadow. Real simple. Keep it simple. And I'm using my Morphe setting spray. And I'm just going to spray her down. Spray her down, guys. And boom. Spray her, wave it, let it dry. We look good. This is definitely good for every day. Your girl could have did some nude lips because I feel like the lips is too bold. But I love my lips. Y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I had an attitude. Anyway, follow, subscribe, like, and comment. And check me out on other platforms, you guys. Thank you. Bye.